Hey guys, Andrew, White Bushcrafter here. I'm going to do a review today of the Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool. It comes in a lovely ballistic nylon sheet. It's got a double pouch inside, one for the survival guide, one for the knife itself, and a belt loop so you can wear it normal style, or you can wear it across your belt style, and just a Velcro flap. It's got Gerber, Grylls, and signature. The multi-tool itself, it's a very nice multi-tool. Has spring-loaded pliers, needle nose crushers and wire cutters. If you close them up, you've got a serrated knife on one side. Also on that side we have bottle opener and can opener, small screwdriver, and a funky item, a pair of scissors, also spring-loaded. On this side, on both sides there's a locking mechanism. So if I were to close everything, that pops up. Unlock it, I have to pull that down. It's a little bit stiff on one side, but a cheap way of doing it is if you open up a second item on the same side, push it down, and close out both items. On this side, we have a split straight blade knife, a larger screwdriver, a fillet screwdriver, and the wood saw. And again, it's got the locking mechanism, so locks in place. It's not going to randomly open on you. Simple as that. So I'm just going to open everything up quickly. There guys is the Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool by Gerber. Very good brand, very good tool. I've been carrying this for a couple of days, well, a couple of weeks now even. It served me well. The wood, saw, the knife, everything works well. Knife came sharp, straight knife came sharp, saw came sharp, everything came as it should do. Thank you guys, that was a review of the Grylls Ultimate Multi-Tool. Stay safe out there, God bless you.